Hello, SDN with me Shubham from Blenderphile, and this is the node concept, and today we have the wave texture, and yeah, just two or three more textures are left, and we are done with the textures. Great, and so let's begin. Today we are going to do the wave textures. So, oops. Oh, and one thing I'll just do this. Some guy to enable them. Boom, that's good. Okay, yeah, so let's bring this up, change this to the node editor and add in a new material. Boom, and press shift A, texture and wave texture. So wave texture, as the name says, is used to generate waves, but waves like there's ripples in the ocean, not ocean, water, or there are waves in the ocean, things like that. And yeah, but it can also be used to make procedural wood textures. So yeah, that's a great thing. So we have lots of things over here. This is quite a big node. So yeah, it gives the color output and effect output. So you can use both of them. They are just same. And then there is this thing which is the wave type and the wave profile. So sine is a sine graph logic, so you can see there are equal amount of height and depth. So the black portions are always equal in depth, and white portions are equal in height. And changing this to saw, I know why it's named saw, it makes them like a plank kept on one another, so like roofing tiles, something like that. And yeah, so that's how it looks. Then there's the band and the rings, so I'll just keep this to sine. Sine looks more better, for like rippled water. Sine looks good. So the rings, yeah, the rings generate a ring pattern. So like there is, how can we say that? You drop a drop of water in. You drop a drop of water, and the drop makes a waveform in the water. That's a tongue twister. Drop in water. No? What? Okay.
Drop a drop of water in water.
Yeah. Whatever. Alright, so that what the rings do. So yeah. And then there's the band. Bands do that. You've already seen what bands do. Just make bands. So then you have the scale. So the more the scale is, the smaller will be these bands, and more the number of bands you will see. Same is with the rings. And yeah, that's the thing. Change that to saw, you can see that. So you can see the difference between saw and the sine. The sine keeps equal amount of depth, while the saw makes them like plank kept on one another. So like pyramid looking thing on top view. So next is distortion, and so it actually makes the edges more jagged. And let's do that sine. Yeah. So makes the edges more jagged, and you can see over here if I just increase the border. And then there is the details, so it makes fine details among them, so it adds more colors to play around with. Instead of just black and white, it adds more shades of gray, so like 50 shades of gray. Alright, so yeah, that's what detail does. And decrease in details, you can see only like 3 colors, black and light gray and white. And increasing the detail, boom. And then the detail scale, it actually makes the details more jagged. So now it's looking like noise texture completely. Right, so more the scale is, the more noisy it becomes and less understandable. So yeah, boom, that looks nice-ish. Alright, so that's the wave texture. Let's see with the bands as well. The scale does the same thing. The distortion, you can't see much of distortion over here. Wow. Okay, so yeah, that's there. You can't see the distortion. Yeah, the detail scale is actually 1 by default. I didn't know that. So there it goes here. Distortion, then there's a detail, adds in more details, and scale changes how much amount of distortion is affected. So yeah, that's basically is the wave texture. Oh, it looks nice. So it can be used to make procedural wood or, you know, a beach looking scene, something like that. It's just a thing. Imagination is the limit. You can make anything you want. So yeah, wide range of application tests. So yeah, that's basically the thing. Alright, so yeah, that's basically the wave texture, and I hope you understand and learned something. And you can follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/Blenderphile for our next tutorials, and you can also stay tuned by subscribing. And yeah, we hope to see you in our next tutorial. Bye.